Hey everybody, it's Marty from aspectLED. Today we are going to talk about our W series aspectLED quick connectors. Here we have the W series quick connectors. We have the single-ended connector with wires at one end. We have the double-ended connector with connectors at both ends. And we have the splice connector, which eliminates the wires. I have some of our W series strip lights right here, and they actually have the wire leads already attached. If you have these, you want to use these because they're a soldered connection and they're a great and reliable piece. But if you have an installation where you need to segment the strip, the quick connectors are a great option. When you're cutting this type of strip light, it's important to cut exactly on the printed line. Line up your scissors or whatever you're using to cut, and make sure you're not angling on either side or off to the side. I'm going to be right in the middle. Make one nice straight cut. This will give you the most area for contact with a connector. All of these connectors have a little latch door that looks like this. It's important to note that this latch door goes on the bottom side of the strip, and the top of the strip lines up with this notch right here. When you line this up, simply slide the connector into this little track, and the little notch will slide up around the LED. Just like this. Don't push it too far, but push it far enough to make contact. And then you want to slide this little door shut on the back. Make sure that it pops in on both sides. It's important to make sure that that door is fully closed for good contact. Once that's in there, it's set. Alright, we have these connectors set up now. Now let's show how each one is being used. We have our single-ended connector here connecting back to the power supply. Right here we have our splice connector connecting two strips together without wires. And here we have our double-ended strip giving wires between the break. It's important to note that this is a quick connector. Soldering is going to give you a more permanent and long-term installation. It's also important to note the polarity of the strips. You have to make sure everything is on the positive or negative side and that the wires all match. You want to make sure that you're getting the door on the back side closed all the way. And with these, you can only use these in the first reel or 16.4 feet of length. And finally, these are only intended to be used with aspectLED brand strip lights. If you would like to see some information on how to solder, check out our video here. For more helpful information, please like and subscribe.